Patingin ako. Let me take a look. Nawala ko ang aking panulat. I lost my pen. Nasa loob ako ng kanyang kwarto. I was in her bedroom. Sinubukan niyang balaan ako. She tried to warn me. Bumalik siya agad-agad. She returned immediately. Pumatok siya sa pinto. She is knocking on the door. Akala ko wala lang yon. I thought it was nothing. Nakakalinlang ang kanyang boses. Her voice is deceiving. May nangyari. Something happened. Kumakain ng tinapay ang bata. The boy eats bread. Pumunta kami sa dagat. We went to the sea. Nakakita ako ng ibong lumilipad. I saw a bird flying. Mataas ang alon. The waves are high.